Step back in time with this charming two-story farmhouse surrounded by beautiful mountain views. This classic home needs some TLC but has so much potential. Plus, there is a huge detached workshop for projects or storage. This home is perfect for someone who wants to restore a piece of history. It's being sold as is, so it's ideal for cash buyers who are ready to put in some work to make it shine again. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.